So,
No.
okay, no, we're just going to ask you a couple of questions, Sally. Okay.
Oh, no. Oh yeah. We've all done that.
No, wait. Yeah, this is part of the deal. All right.
Oh, yeah.
So you used to be an introvert. So this is the kind of thing that you can do real well now, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So Sally, just real quick, I'm going to want to have you. There we go. And now I can see your face. No, turn around. Turn around. Okay. So real quick, just give us a quick rundown on your family. Okay. So your family. You have daughters.
Oh, my immediate family. Okay, yes, okay, yes, I have 2 daughters.
Yep.
28 and 26.
Okay, one is a veterinarian.
Reese is a veterinarian doing a residency in Houston,
Yep.
Texas.
Yep.
And Felice is just finishing her master's program, be done in a couple months for library science.
Yes, yes.
And that's it.
That's it, but you're still working and you love your work.
I love my work. You see, I had a really good friend that got me in there and then he bailed and left me. You know, I was doing paralegal making good money, and then I went to work for Dennis at $10 an hour, and it was like, oh my God, and then he leaves. He goes on to bigger and better things, and I'm still back there taking the crap. Anyway, yes, you know, it's been a good job for me. It's close to home.
And you're a natural. That's the best thing.
And my what?
You are a natural at it. You're very good. You're good with patients. You're good mechanically with what needs to be fixed, and they come in and they don't ask for the audiologist. They ask for Sally.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks.